Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I am making a delicious Italian dish called Chicken Saltimbocca. This is a classic Italian dish. It's very popular and it is super easy to make. I love these kind of dishes because they only use just a few ingredients, but the ingredients is what makes this dish. And I'm telling you, it is full of flavor and it comes together really quick. You can make this in no time flat. So let me show you just how to make Chicken Saltimbocca. So I have here 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to be slicing these in half, pounding them out thin, and then I will be adding some prosciutto, which is just a very thinly sliced ham that has been dry cured. And to that, I'm going to add some fresh sage. And this is what really gives this chicken saltimbocca the flavor, is the sage. It is key to this dish. You will also need a cup of chicken broth, a half of a cup of white wine. I have 3 garlic cloves, and then you're going to need a little bit of flour just to dredge that chicken in, some salt and pepper, and you will also need a little bit of olive oil to fry that chicken up. And you're going to need some toothpicks, but I will show you just exactly how to put this all together. All right, like I said, I'm going to be slicing this chicken in half. I'm just going to take a knife and just slice in the thick part of the chicken breast. And you're going to kind of want to open this up kind of like a book. But we're going to this is what you call butterfly, but we're going to go ahead and slice it into 2 pieces. Just like that. So now I'm going to do the other one, and I'm going to place some plastic wrap over the chicken, and now I'm going to take a mallet and I'm going to use the smooth side and just pound this chicken out as thin as I possibly can. If you're having a bad day, you just need to pound some chicken. So that looks good. This just really makes your chicken nice and tender. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to season this chicken with some salt and pepper. And I'm going to turn them over and season the other side. And now I'm going to take a piece of prosciutto and put on top of our chicken. All right, so next I'm going to take a couple of these sage leaves and place on top of our prosciutto. Oh, they smell so good. It's amazing. Amazing flavor. All right. Next, I'm going to take a toothpick. These are kind of big, so I'm going to tear them in half. And I'm going to secure these sage leaves onto our chicken, and I'm just going to kind of just pin them in. Just like that. All right, so then I'm just going to take each piece of chicken and just lightly dredge this chicken in this flour, just lightly. That is good. All right, so I have a large skillet here, and I'm going to add some olive oil into my skillet, turn my fire onto a medium heat, and then I'm going to take these garlic cloves and I'm just going to give them a little mash. Just want to open them up some just so that the garlic flavor will infuse that oil, because I'm going to drop these garlic cloves right into this hot oil. Once they start to sizzle, we know that this skillet is hot and ready to add our chicken. I'm starting to smell this garlic. The oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to place my chicken. And I'm going to place my chicken with the prosciutto side down right into this hot oil. There we go, just like that. Because this chicken is so thin, it only takes just a couple minutes on each side. It's just about time to turn them over. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh. I kind of forgot an important ingredient. I'm going to add just a couple tablespoons of butter right in the skillet. I'm going to go ahead and add my white wine. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this chicken broth. This is a cup. May not need all of it. That is actually looking good. You just want enough to make a delicious sauce with this. So now we're going to let this cook and reduce. Oh, this smells absolutely delicious. It is done. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to show you guys how beautiful this dish is. So simple, so simple. This chicken is so tender and flavorful. And to top this all off, I'm going to grate some fresh Parmesan cheese over the top. Oh yeah. I'm so excited to eat today. I cannot wait. I'm just serving it alongside some pasta, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this sauce and just pour right over top of my pasta. This just makes a delicious sauce. And I'm gonna get myself a piece of chicken. Oh yes. Oh, and I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan over my spaghetti. Oh yeah, and a little bit more over my chicken, why not, right? Moment of truth. This chicken is so tender. Well, I really hope that you give this chicken saltimbocca a try because I know that you will love it. It's super easy to make. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a fantastic day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. Makes me want to dance.